In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Base44 app. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, along with a few helpful tips so you know why each step matters and what to double check before you go live. Start by opening Base44 in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the dashboard elements fully appear. A stable connection helps here, especially if your workspace has a lot of assets. From the main navigation, click on Apps. This is where all your projects are listed. You'll see items you own as well as those shared with you. If you have a long list, use the filters or search to quickly locate the app you're preparing to publish. Select the specific app you want to publish. Choosing the correct project is important because publishing will reflect the current state of that app. If you manage multiple environments or versions, confirm the title and icon so you're in the right place. Next, open the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your command center for configuration and visibility settings. Before publishing, it's a good idea to pause for a quick sanity check. Confirm you're in the correct workspace and that the app content you expect to show publicly is ready. Locate the option labeled Require Login to access and uncheck it. This is the key step that makes your app publicly accessible. Unchecking means anyone with the link can view the app without signing in. If your project contains sensitive data or internal tools, ensure you've removed or masked anything that shouldn't be exposed. You can always revisit this setting later if you need to switch the app back to restricted access. Click Preview. Preview loads a live-like version so you can experience the app as your audience will. Take a quick tour of the core user flows, check that navigation works, pages render correctly, and any dynamic content appears as intended. If something looks off, return to your editor to adjust, then preview again until it matches your expectations. When everything looks good, click Publish App. Publishing pushes your latest changes live. It may take a moment depending on the size of your app. Once it completes, note the public URL so you can share it with stakeholders or embed it where needed. If you later make updates, you'll follow the same path and publish again to roll out changes. That's it. You opened Base44, selected your app, verified settings, previewed the experience, and published with confidence. If access doesn't behave as expected after publishing, revisit the Require Login setting and confirm you applied it to the correct app. Thanks for watching and happy shipping.